Meet DKubeX 2.0, the hybrid AI platform that runs entirely on your own Kubernetes. Train and deploy your own models, ground AI in your data, and build AI apps and agents, all on one secure, governed platform. Your models, your data, your infrastructure. DKubeX 2.0's operating principle is hybrid AI, private by default, public when valuable, governed throughout. Private AI stays the core, keeping sensitive data and essential workflows on your own planned, controlled capacity. Public intelligence becomes a governed window, where approved tasks reach public models as metered resources, with routing, budgets, quotas, and full usage visibility. Sign in with your credentials to get started. The Apps page is your home base, with every application you use one click away. And the App Store lets you deploy new capabilities to your cluster in moments. Workspace, your on-demand cloud development environment, ready in seconds. It ships with JupyterLab, VS Code, and AI coding tools like Claude Code, OpenCode, and Codex, plus agents like Hermes and OpenClaw to build and ship apps right inside your cluster. Model Studio, your model deployment hub. Browse and deploy open source and NVIDIA models in a click, each served on your own infrastructure with an OpenAI-compatible endpoint. MLflow, experiment tracking and a model registry built in. Log every run, compare results, and register the versions you're ready to ship. RAGflow, it turns your documents into searchable, trustworthy knowledge. Build assistants that answer from your own data with citations every time. Secure LLM, the governed gateway in front of every model, your own, plus OpenAI, Anthropic, Ollama, and any OpenAI-compatible provider. One secure endpoint with API keys, guardrails, and full usage visibility. Langflow, a visual, low-code canvas for AI workflows and agents. Connect components with drag and drop, then deploy any flow to a live API in a single click. Now let's put it together and build a RAG assistant. Start with the models. In Model Studio, search for the model you need, choose your deployment settings, and click Deploy. For RAG, you'll deploy two, a chat model and an embedding model. Next, connect them in RAGflow. Open Settings, then Model Providers, add a provider, and select a models you just deployed. Now build your knowledge base. In the Datasets tab, create a dataset, upload your documents, and parse them. When parsing completes, your data is ready. Then create a chat. Attach your dataset, add a system prompt, and go live. Ask a question, and DKubeX answers straight from your documents, grounded in your own data. Finally, Secure LLM keeps you in control. Open the Usage tab to see every request and response, with detailed metrics across all your AI traffic. And building on DKubeX 2.0 doesn't stop at your data and private AI infrastructure. With hybrid AI, you can also put public models to work to create and deploy your own apps. In Workspace, open a coding agent like Claude Code and give it the standing instructions for building and hosting on DKubeX. Then just describe the application you want. Go back and forth with the agent to shape it, and it writes and runs everything right inside your cluster. When it's ready, open your app and use it live, running on your own DKubeX cluster, alongside every other tool on the platform. That's DKubeX 2.0. Enterprise Hybrid AI, built and governed on your own terms.